Hey guys, Daven from Provide here. Today I want to talk a little bit about Provide Core and one of the cooler services within Provide Core, in my humble opinion, Ident. Ident's really neat. It's a microservice that provides secure and scalable identity authentication and authorization services for users, applications, and organizations. Now it does all this through JWT tokens that are encoded with different subsets of data and signed by our Vault service. Taking a quick look at this documentation, we can see that there's applications, organizations, the token itself, and users. Now, in the context of Baseline as a service, you can think of applications as a work group. Within those work groups, of course, you can have organizations, like companies, and users within those organizations. Now, because these users and organizations are members of this work group, the data within the encoded JWT allows these users to access the information made available to the work group while limiting access outside of the scope of the work group. And let's take a quick look here at the authorizations and permissions page. This is just about the JWT. It's bare authorization, pretty standard. And we'll scroll down and take a look at the payload here. Now, what's really neat and what's really cool about this is there's different bits of information in this payload that really convey the user or organization's or application's identity and pass along the information needed to grant access to whatever it is it needs access to. And within that scope, it also limits this identity to access only what it should have access to. So it's highly secure, it's very scalable because all these permissions are built into this token. And what's really cool about this is it looks very similar to some of the decentralized identity documents that we see popping up kind of all over the place right now. That's something that we do hope to explore in the future. It's a pretty good next step, I think. So that's all I've got for now on Ident. Thanks for tuning in, and I will sync up with you later.